So, the rupee hit an all-time low last week or a few days ago. And of course, everybody's wondering what's going to happen, what has caused it. Well, there's multiple things. Right now, the world is, actually the world is always a mess, but it's a real mess right now. So there are many conflicting forces acting on the rupee, right? Acting on the dollar and acting on the rupee. If you look at a long-term chart of the rupee, what you find is that it is in a downward trend, but it has climbed up a wee bit from the bottom of that trend, which suggests that maybe it can't fall very much further. But again, that's technical, you can't depend on them completely. Now, another thing, what is one of the factors two of the factors that have pushed the rupee down? One is the oil prices because of the trauma in the Middle East. But oil prices have again softened. It's interesting that oil price took so long to react to all this insanity that's been going on, right? So my sense is that oil is not going to go to 100, right? It's going to stay at these levels, maybe fall a little, rise a little, not too much. The other factor is the dollar, right? The dollar has strengthened overseas a little bit, not a huge amount, but the media tends to make a big deal about everything. So, the dollar is really strong. The dollar is really strong, but the real issue, in my view, is dollar strength against the yen. The yen is at the lowest it has been, I just checked, since 1990. Conceivably some of you people watching this may not even have been born then, right? So, that's no reason why it can't weaken more. It has been weaker, back in the 70s. But the fact is, there have been these changes going on in Japan. For the first time, they raised interest rates, right? Second very significant thing is China has now become Japan's largest trading partner. It has overtaken the US as the largest trading partner, which incidentally suggests that all the anti-China sentiment, certainly in the US, may have to be modified because business is business. And the third and perhaps most important thing about talking about the yen is that the Bank of Japan made a little average. Okay, Baba, it's getting too weak. So to my mind, all of this points to the fact that the yen is not going to weaken very much more, and in fact, it might strengthen. If that strengthens, in my view, the dollar strength will turn around. And if dollar strength turns around, perhaps, hopefully, rupee weakness will turn around.